Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my journaling kit. This is from Hazydaysuk UK, who I am a PR, and this is her first ever journaling kit. So it's very floral, and we shall have a look what's inside. I'll leave the link to the Hazydaysuk UK website and Etsy shop so you can check out this pretty journaling journaling kit. So this is the July journaling kit, and it should have, or it has, 2 sheets of double-sided card, 2 sheets of vellum, 3 Polaroid style frames, 3 glossy tabs, 1 small sheet of word stickers, 1 sheet frame and seal stickers, 1 sheet of decorative stickers, 1 small transparent sheet of deco, and 1 pack of ephemera and coordinating decoupage napkins. So there's a lot in here. So the first thing that has come out, something has come out. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. So it is really pretty. So we'll take that out for a moment and see what's inside. Right. Oops. Okay, so here we go. So we have, oh my goodness. Oh, they're in a very small packets. Okay, so I did say I want them all in like in one packet, so there's less packaging. So how cute is that? So you can actually use this for your junk journal, and you have in here your frames and your tabs. Oh my goodness, how cute are those, eh? How pretty are those? Pretty enough to mark up your journals. Oh, so I think there's 3 Polaroid style frames. Oh my days, they are gorgeous. Right, let's open this up. Oh, hang on. Okay. So in this packet, you get your, let's see if there's anything more. Okay, nothing in there. So you get your stickers. This would be the, let's see, decorative stickers. Aren't they cute? This is, I think, like a glossy one. Oh no, the small transparent sheet of deco. So that's a transparent sticker. And then you have your word sticker, and then you have your, what is this? Your stickers. More stickers. So small word stickers, decorative stickers, sheet of decorative stickers, that one. And this is the frames and seals. Oh my god, they are so gorgeous. And then you have your coordinating napkin. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be nice for journal spread. How beautiful is that? And then you have your pack of ephemera. Let's get the butterfly. Oh my god, that's cute, so cute. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is so cute. Wow, wow, wow. And it's made of really nice cardstock, matte cardstock. Okay, so that's that. Oh, how am I? Right, I think I'm gonna put that later on. And then you have your 2 sheets of vellum. There's different colors. There's one slightly like white-ish, like white, and somehow peachy. Oh, this is pretty, so beautiful. And then you then have 2 sheets of double-sided card. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so there you go, guys. That's your July journaling kit from Hazydaysuk UK. Yeah, so I think you can use my PR code, which I'll leave in the description box below, and do check Hazydaysuk UK out. And she's got other products like stickers and stuff, so yeah, and ephemera, so do check her out. She's got a great shop. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you like what I've shared. Bye for now.